Today we are at the Creative Workshop in the Memorial Art Gallery, and we have adult classes happening today, which include a variety of medium. We have found that so many people have been missing doing this kind of activity in their life, especially while they were working, and so they're eager to find new hobbies, new activities, ways to engage their creative minds, and the programs at the Creative Workshop allow them those opportunities.
I think it's important to stretch yourself. So to take courses or engage in activities where you're doing something that you haven't done before.
What inspires me about art is just it gives me somewhere to be able to do something new and different with my hands, to feel confident in myself and what I can do.
Creating art makes me feel very good, very uplifting. It makes my whole mood change.
I think the best part of teaching older adults is watching them come into their own, to seeing them break free from whatever their professional life was, whatever their role was in their family life, and become their own. And the other part is the community that's built between them, seeing how they interact and make friendships in the classes.
Being an artist and creating art really kind of explores, makes me more joyful. And in today's age, I need some joy. And one of the greatest things about it here is not just being able to create the art, but the community that's here. So it's not just the art, but it's the friendship that's been great.
I enjoy looking at my pictures and showing other people, look what I did. It makes me feel good.
Also, I think it's important to work with your hands a little bit and keep the motor skills going. It seems to make something click inside. It keeps it feels like keeps the brain active.
I'm here doing acrylics because I had cancer and I had to find a way to express myself. And then we had a terrible car accident, and then my husband had a stroke, and this helps me deal with my anxiety and make me feel like a better person. What inspires me is I think people appreciate how I just get up and go of all I've been through.
I love the idea of aging inspired. So many of our students inspire me and help me think about what my post-retirement life is going to be like. Which classes am I going to take? Which programs am I going to get involved in? Which service am I going to provide to the community? I'm excited about that time in my life, and I'm looking forward to it.